Iron. Iron is an element commonly found in our lives, but the issue of durability due to corrosion has always been a problem. So, POSCO, after extensive research and development, has developed a plated sheet with the highest corrosion resistance, PosMAC. GI is a galvanized steel applied to prevent iron corrosion, and it utilizes the sacrificed protection of zinc to prevent iron from corroding. In particular, the corroding speed of the zinc layer becomes faster on islands and seashore areas with high salt in the air, as well as industrial areas with high concentrations of contaminants, and environmental elements such as chemical corrosion in agriculture and farming areas. That's why POSCO developed a completely different type of iron. PosMAC features a coating consisting of magnesium, zinc, and aluminum, which allows the steel to be used safely for extended periods. When PosMAC's coating is exposed, it forms and maintains a film layer called simon-coleite, which is a stable, precise corrosion product formed with the support of magnesium over time. As you can see, it forms another layer, unlike a zinc-only coat. As a result, it is capable of forming corrosion resistance 10 times stronger than existing products. What's more surprising is that even exposed cut surfaces can benefit from the corrosion resistance. When steel is used in the field, exposed cut surfaces initially develop rust. However, as time progresses, the coating layers on the top and bottom develop a corrosion product, the simon-coleite layer, which spreads to the cut surface, preventing further corrosion to the cut surface. In addition, the coating has greater hardness compared to galvanized layers, which can significantly reduce mold contamination during processing. And it is capable of minimizing scratches generated during installation. PosMAC, developed to satisfy various tests, can be used in a wide range of applications. Its superb corrosion resistance, along with painting, welding, and processing capabilities, allow PosMAC to be the ideal material for use in construction, livestock raising, as well as the electric, electronic, and automobile fields. PosMAC also excels in structures on the seashore, marine farms, and high-temperature, high-moisture environments, which are particularly vulnerable to corrosion. Don't worry, its price is less burdensome compared to existing products, but it is capable of reducing maintenance costs due to corrosion as time progresses, and the longer replacement period can help achieve greater economic benefits. For example, solar power generation facilities were commonly constructed using unplated steel first, and a post-coating method was applied for a corrosion-resistant coating. With the launch of PosMAC, which has excellent corrosion resistance and an elegant exterior, it has become the most highly regarded material for solar power generation structures. It is capable of saving the logistics costs generated by post-coating. PosMAC has high quality along with excellent cost reduction properties. POSCO, which has been designated as the world's most competitive steel company for 7 consecutive years, guarantees a service life of 20 years or more. An economical solution achieved through strong corrosion resistance and wide applications. The next generation high corrosion resistant steel product. Experience PosMAC, the world's premium steel solution. From steel supplier to solution partner. POSCO.